You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more, become part of the community. Emmanuelle is how it's said in French. Emmanuelle. So in English you can easily say it as Emmanuelle. Emmanuelle. Emmanuelle from French Emmanuelle. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.